Okay, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to all of you. It's me, to Pankaj Singh, and I have a panelist in my panel. And this is two teams to debate this topic. And I given this boys very good topic, and this topic name is Uttar Pradesh versus Bihar. Which a state is most important state? Uttar Pradesh state is most important state and very useful, and Bihar state is most important. See this video, two teams to fight this topic, and you can listen and watch this video in last time, and which team is the give the better performance, so you can touch in your heart if this video watch after watching this video, so you can comment in last time and say this team is the Uttar Pradesh team, sorry, Bihar team, and this team is the Uttar Pradesh team. And after that you can say this team is given the better performance and this team give the better performance. According to your decision, I give the reward this panelist. Just let's start this video. Please see this fight.
Good morning to all of you. It's me, to Radha Kumari, sitting up from say somewhat about Bihar. So Bihar is the 12th largest state in the India, and it is very important for our India because I think 90 to 20% of the IAS officer is coming from Bihar, and it is all the person was saying that Bihar is not educated, but how IAS officer is coming from Bihar, because all the UPSC toppers was in Bihar. I think 70% of the UPSC toppers is in Bihar.
So yeah, a very warm and cheerful good morning to all of you. My name is Hasnan and I am the close point to the on UP. So you said that there were many IS persons who will came from the Bihar. So I am telling that why there is so much illiteracy in Bihar. Why there are the persons of Bihar using the rude language.
You are wrong. You are also, like, you are going to any other state, you will see that a person, you will giving abuse and any other bad thing you will give, then a person was feel guilt and saying some bad thing also to you, because you are saying bad thing, then the person was also saying bad thing, and that's all.
No, this is not the point. I will say that there is many illiteracy in Bihar, and the persons are using rude language. As you were saying that there were many, the first Nalanda University was in Bihar. I will say that, but there was so much illiteracy in Bihar. You should give answer of this question.
As according to me, the Bihar is a not good state other than the UP, because as you said that the 70% of the IAS officer will success in the through the Bihar city. It is not necessary. I also concord that point, because in the when we have to appointed and become a IAS officer, we have to study along and to crack a UPSC. Then where they do go to crack a UPSC in a Bihar, there are mostly one or two teachers are there who teach the UPSC students for the cracking IAS and UPS. Then how you can say that the IAS officer will conquer the 70%? It is the good that they are the belonging to Bihar, but they not get educated from a Bihar. They get from educated from other country. Recently I also see the news, which was also an IAS, and he belong to Bihar, but he not study in the Bihar. Then how you can say that Bihar people and educated people will succeed? It good that they belong, but it not education that they can take place.
No, it will success from online classes.
It is not through online classes in UPSC. There are some cases which, as in online, there are a disadvantage, because we have to study and we cannot do a practical, means math. We cannot solve the math practical, only we can see the lectures video. Then how you can say the online education is best for the UPSC, IIT, and or all type of competition exam. Online is not best for online competition exam those student who cannot bail man and not activate man. Online education can take those student whose mind is so much activate and they are talent to success there in their life. Then how you can say the online education is a good for the UPSC student and more other competition exam?
Firstly, all the person and all the children have a talent to teach and study proper way. Also, in online classes, you don't know that in BPSC and other type of exams, all the I think 50 and 60% of the person which is studying with online classes and and it is going to a good job.
Starting I already said that those students who get the online education, their mind is so much activate other than the ordinary student who can study in the offline education, their mind is not so much activate. That's why in offline education their mind should be activate because of the seeing boys and to discuss the question, and they want to crack the UPSC like other student also crack the UPSC. So in online education we have to study a single point at a single place. On the class there are many students, it cannot a manner, it cannot a made of habit, it can be happen. But in the online education where I will say it, where the student will say it, there is only one student will, and then how they discuss their mind and how they question discussion they know will take place. And then sometimes there that the it could not happen. And in UP there are the many coaching like BHU, CHS, many institution been they IIT on. Also for the UPSC also many coaching are there to study and long, and many student also will conquered a lot of rank in UPSC, BPSC, IIT, SSC, many exam that is competition. And in also Banarasi there is a nowadays there is a in UPSC in Banaras, there are a road where is a very clean, where is safety, and there are no damage in the road. And in Bihar, I recently see, not you also seen that road recently made in over I think 2 or 3 months ago. Then road will damage, totally damage. How it had happened? But in the Banaras it cannot happen. And in nowadays in Bihar, their petroleum gas is very high as according to the compared to the UP. And in Bihar there are also many crime will happen, and in UP nowadays no crime will happen because the Yogi Adityanath is a take a treat action towards the crimer people. Then how you can say the Bihar is a good other than UP? It can be not a proper example you give to them me.
UP is very prizeful for all the people. Like you will going to any other state, you will see that the beer prices are not be like very prizeful. And in Bihar the beer is banned, but in not in UP or other state. But it is very harmful from all the persons. Why it is not be banned?
As you see that the beer is banned in Bihar, but in UP they not ban. You can observe that all day, every day, or 2 or 3 person will caught in the UP and Bihar border. Why? What is the reason to behind it? Why when they are banned, then why they come to the Bihar with the drinking substance like branded like Kingfishers and Jaguar? Many examples are there, which is then why they come with their drinking substances. If they are bad, then also the Bihar people will come to the UP and they take the drinking substances, and they caught by the police and they have to suffer a jail problem over a 3 or 4 months. But in the UP they are not caught by the police when they have to drink harmful things. It is dependent that the drinking is harmful, then why the government will not, why the people will not stop to drink it? It is the also reason. You cannot say the proper example with